So today we are doing isomorphism. What is the literal meaning of isomorphism or isomorphic? First we understand. Isomorphism is composition of two Greek words. One is isos. Isos in Greek we write like this: iota, sigma, omicron, and this is sigma. Sigma in ending, actually this is sigma. If it appear in the end, then we write like this. So isos, and this is mu, this is omicron, rho, this is phi, and this is epsilon, iota. This is isos mean equal. In English it means equal, and morph is shape. Morph is shape, right? Other word also you can understand, like if I write homomorphism, then what is the meaning? This also from two words, two Greek words. This is homos plus morphe. So this is H, actually H direct. The word H is not found in Greek alphabet, but the sound is found. If this dash we put on some word, then it is give the sound ha. So homos morphine. This homos mean same. Generally in other words, so you use this word like homo word is used same, and this is again shape. So in mathematics, how we use the word isomorphism, that is like, because in mathematics we deal with the sets or the elements or the quantity. Mathematics actually represent, it is expression about the quantity. So let, in group theory, let G, suppose the binary operation is star, and G bar, and here operation we take some different operations, we say O, or multiplication, any other, are two groups, then G and G dash are called isomorphic, or isomorphism can be defined between them if there exists a mapping, if there is a mapping, suppose phi from G to G bar, such that one condition phi is 1 1, second phi is on 2, and third one is it preserve the operation. That means phi A star B, obviously A, B are element of G, then operation we use star, and this is phi A O, because A is element of G and phi a is element of G bar. So this become this. Geometrically, how we can say, suppose this is our G and operation is star, and this is G bar and operation is O. So these are two group. So if A belong to G and phi is the mapping, then obviously phi A belong to G bar. Similarly, if B belong to G, then this phi B is there. So because the operation star is defined in G, then we operate AB like this, and these two elements are in G bar. So phi A operated with O. The operation is O. Now what it is saying? It is saying if we operate, obviously it is a group, so A star B again will be element of G bar. So this element, if operated, the phi is operated on this element, then a new element here is phi A, phi B, like this. That means this element must be there, and the operation in the right side will be the operation of G bar. See, by example we can understand this. If I take G, suppose I take 0, 1, 2 and 3, and operation I am taking modulo 4. So this is a group, addition modulo 4, and here G bar I take, operation I take multiplication, here is addition modulo, here is, and I take A0, A1, A2, A3, right? One more element 4 and right little big. Okay, then take this A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4 is equal to identity. Now it is a finite cyclic group generated by A, and I map this element with this element, this element with this element, and this element with this element, this element. So obviously phi is 1 1 on 2, because phi is each time with a separate element, and obviously it is a group, need not to show because already you understand. So 1 1 on 2 is clear. Now we check the operation preservation. Here operation is this, and here is multiplication, right? So define phi x is equal to ax. Phi x is equal to ax. So I don't show here 1 1 on 2 because it is obvious. Now I check the preservation, the third condition. For x, y belong to G, phi x plus y is equal to ax plus y. With this definition, now take any two value. Any two value, if I take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, what happen? If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, then phi 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 will be divided by 4. That means it become, and this side a 2 plus 3. That is simply we can say a 5, because a 5 is not element in G bar. So it become, because a4 is identity, so this I can write a4 into a. This is identity and final I get a. This side what happen? This is 5. 5 divided by 4. This is 5, 1, and 5 1 goes to a1. So this is also a. That means our result is 2. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Otherwise, we can take some more example. Suppose I say G is 0, 1, 2, 3. These element, and operation is addition modulo 4. G bar I0, I1, I square, I3, and operation is multiplication. Now I define phi, this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. That means define phi x is equal to ix. Both are group. This is you easily can prove, because this group finally we know 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. These 4 elements and these are 4 elements. So now we check. Obviously phi is 1 1. Phi is 1 1 on 2, because each element has different image, so it is on 1 1, and because no element is there which does not have pre-image, so it is on 2. Now phi x plus y is equal to I x plus y, right? Actually we have to show phi x plus y is equal to phi x, because the operation in the G bar is multiplication, so this should be phi y. So first we take left hand side. Left hand side is this is equal to, if I take any two element, let or you can say this mean phi x plus y is equal to I x plus y, and right hand side phi x into phi y, that is ix, and this is iy, and this is also I x plus y. If I take, if x is equal to, I take 1 and y I take suppose 3, then what happen? Left hand side you see phi 1 plus 3, that is, because the operation is addition modulo 4, so this become 4 and this become phi 0, and phi 0 goes to 1, right? This is left hand side, this is left hand side. Similarly right hand side phi 1 phi 3, that means this is I1 and this is I3, that is I4, and I4 is equal to again 1. That means phi is isomorphism. Phi is isomorphism. Some more example we can see. If I say I define phi from R2, and the operation I take addition, and this side I take R positive, operation I take multiplication, defined by phi x is equal to, suppose I say Ex. Obviously Ex is a positive number for any number. If I take negative number, still this is positive number. So phi is well defined. Now we check is phi isomorphism. So let x y belong to R, then we show phi x plus y is equal to phi x phi y, because the operation is multiplication. So this mean, left hand side mean, you can say E x plus y, and this mean Ex, and this mean Ey, and this is again x plus y. 1 1 on 2 is easy. If you want to show 1 1 on 2, so let phi x is equal to phi y. This means Ex is equal to Ey, right? Now this means x is equal to y. Simply we can say again on 2. For each, simply again for each x belong to R positive, that means positive real number, we can define log. That means there exists log x in R, that is phi log x is equal to E log x, that is x. That means each positive x has image, pre-image in real number. This number is defined, log is defined for obviously the positive number, right? So this is how we can say phi is isomorphism. Any example where we want to show that phi is not isomorphism?